Are you ready to lose some weight? I'm going to share with you the full 2-day diet plan that you can follow to help you lose 10 pounds in 10 days, as well as some secrets that help you get past those plateaus and really help you to lose that weight, turn on that metabolism, and get it working so you can lose weight faster. I will also be including all the recipes. So number one, it's very important the timing that you eat. So we're going to be working on that with this diet because you can't just eat whenever you want. So timing is very important. The day has started, it's morning. You are not going to eat or drink anything until 10 a.m. At 10 a.m., you will drink 1 glass of hot turmeric tea. You can go and watch the full recipe here. I've done a video on this. Why this drink is important is because it helps to jumpstart your metabolism, and it also helps to suppress your appetite. This really works, by the way. If you start taking this several days, you will feel it right away. Turmeric has also been shown to actually help get rid of the visceral, stubborn fat in our tummies. So this is very important to start your day. And it's most important that you don't start the day before 10 a.m. So no food or drink before 10 a.m. Now we're going to wait until 10:30 a.m. At 10:30 now, we can do breakfast. So for breakfast on day 1, you can have pancakes with cream and berries. Now these recipes are keto-friendly recipes and low carb, so it will help to stimulate your body to start burning that fat inside of you. For the recipe, you will need 4 eggs, 1 cup of ricotta cheese. In a bowl, you need to combine the 7 ounces or 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, and you're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. This will help the psyllium husk to absorb the moisture and give your pancakes a better body. Now you're going to heat a little butter in a non-stick skillet on medium heat and just fry your pancake like this. You want to form it and just take a little bit and fry them about 3 minutes per side, and that's it. Now you can prepare your cream. Just whip that up to get soft peaks and put that on your pancakes with some fresh berries. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whichever you choose. And this is a 1 serving portion, so it's just for you, however many you make here. On day 2 for breakfast, you can have huevos rancheros. Here are the ingredients. We're going to need 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese. That's going to be enough for 2 tortillas. 1 teaspoon of butter, 4 large eggs, and a 1/4 cup salsa, and a little bit cilantro. You can add a slice of avocado to this if you like. So go ahead and fry up your eggs as you like it. For the cheese tortilla, just put 2-ounce portion of the cheese on a medium heat pan, and this will spread out to be 1 tortilla. After it spreads out, you can flip it, let it cook for a few more seconds, and then take it off to cool. And you can easily just assemble these. This is very, very delicious. So you're not going to eat again until lunchtime. At 12 o'clock is lunchtime. We're going to have baked salmon with a horseradish sauce and roasted Brussels sprouts. If you do not feel full after eating this, you can also add 2 cups of salad with lemon, salt, and pepper for dressing. So we just prepare the Brussels sprouts, and you're just going to grill those in the pan with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. And grill those in the pan for about 5 minutes and then set them aside. These are extremely good for you, loaded with vitamins, so it's great to try and include these in your day. And next, we're going to make the salmon. Also very easy. We're just going to grill the salmon in the pan with a little bit salt and pepper as well. Set that aside. And now we're going to make the horseradish cream sauce. You're going to put all the ingredients for the sauce in the pot, and we're just going to cook this on medium heat till it comes to a boil, and then boil it for 1 to 2 minutes and turn it off. You can pour it over your salmon and Brussels sprouts, and you have a very delicious hearty lunch. Lunch option number 2 for day 2, have beef enchiladas. Don't those look delicious? First, we're going to just make the sauce in a saucepan. Just put all the ingredients for the sauce in a small saucepan. Heat that up to a boil and then let it cool. Now for the enchiladas, go ahead and cook up the ground beef with the rice, cauliflower, and onions. The seasonings to this, and we're going to assemble them. So these tortillas are the same cheese tortillas that we made for the breakfast. So we're just going to make more of those for about 4 enchiladas. And now we're going to put our enchilada sauce on top with the cheese and bake those for about 30 minutes. Alright, for dinner, we're not going to be eating since lunch at 12 until dinner at 5 p.m. For dinner, you get to have chicken with garlic mushroom sauce. So in a frying pan, you need to heat up the butter and add the garlic and the mushrooms. Grill them up till the mushrooms are soft, and then set the mushrooms aside. We're going to combine all the spices and pat that onto the chicken thighs and cook those in a little bit olive oil in the pan for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Now we're going to make the cream sauce. So in a pot, you're going to put all the cream ingredients, the cream and the parmesan. Bring the mixture to a boil and then cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Add salt and pepper also to taste. Now pour this sauce over the chicken thighs and add the mushrooms. A really delicious dinner. Dinner option for day 2 is our chicken fajita bowl. So these are the ingredients you will need. First, we're going to just prepare the salad with the lettuce, tomato, avocado, and onion, and bell pepper. Now you need to chop up your chicken, and we're going to grill this up in the pan with a little bit of olive oil. Once it's grilled, you can add a little bit of Tex-Mex seasoning on top. And it's done. Now you can assemble it for this beautiful fajita bowl. This fajita bowl is enough for 4 servings. These recipes are all very simple, pretty self-explanatory, and you can do this. Now, if you're still hungry after dinner, you can have one snack at 6 p.m. and nothing after that. So one snack would be a bowl of vegetable soup with nothing in it except for vegetables, water, and salt and pepper. After that, we're going to have a glass of warm lemon water or a glass of green tea. You need to have one or the other every day after your snack time. This will help to keep your metabolism burning higher and help you to lose weight faster. Alright, that's the last meal drink of the day, and you will have nothing again until 10 a.m. What we're doing here is we're trying to promote a fasting for your body. So this fasting time is about a 16-hour fast. What this does is helps your body's metabolism to really turn on, because when you're having a lull and it's really hard for you to lose weight, this will get you over that. So make sure you try and keep up with the fasting period, the specific times that you're supposed to eat, to really help the fat get burned and get off quicker. It's very important, especially for women's bodies. They need more activation to make the fat come off. So having these timed meals and the turmeric tea in the morning and the green tea and lemon water at night with these low carb meals in between will really help you to lose the weight really fast. I do recommend that if you can add to your day, add a half an hour of walking every day or a half an hour of some kind of exercise will really help you as well. And if you want more of these great recipes, I'll leave a link in the description box where you can go and find some more recipes to try to keep going on this meal plan. And let me know in the comments below how you like this meal plan and how well it's working for you. And if you would like to have another meal plan done, just let me know. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.